Namaste students. I am Director Faculty of Land Governance Dr. Beena Diwan from Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's our session is termination of arbitral proceeding. So, shall we start? Termination of arbitral proceedings. The arbitral proceeding shall be terminated by the final arbitral award or by an order of the arbitral tribunal under subsection 2. The arbitral tribunal shall issue an order for the termination of the arbitral proceedings, where the claimant withdraw his claim unless the respondent objects to the order and the arbitral tribunal recognize a legitimate interest on his part in obtaining a final settlement of the dispute. The parties agree on the termination of the proceedings or the parties agree या हम कहें the arbitral tribunal finds that the continuation of the proceedings has for any other reason become unnecessary or impossible, subject to section 33 and subsection 34 का 4, the mandate of the arbitral tribunal shall terminate with the termination of the arbitral proceedings. Correction and interpretation of award. Additional award. Within 30 days from the receipt of the arbitral award, unless another period of time has been agreed upon by the parties. A party with notice to the other party may request the arbitral tribunal to correct any computation errors any clerical errors or typographical errors or any other errors of a similar nature occurring in the award. If so agreed by the parties, a party with notice to the other party may request the arbitral tribunal to give an interpretation of a specific point or part of the award. Correct? आगे चले. If the arbitral tribunal consider the request made under subsection 1 to be justified, it shall make the correction or give the interpretation within 30 days from the receipt of the request, and the interpretation shall form part of the arbitral award, unless otherwise agreed by the parties. A party with notice to the other party may request within 30 days from the receipt of the tribunal of the arbitral award, the arbitral tribunal to make an additional arbitral award as to claims presented on the arbitral proceedings but omitted from the arbitral award. Correct? If the arbitral tribunal consider the request made under the subsection 4 to be justified, it shall make the additional arbitral award within 60 days from the receipt of such request. The arbitral tribunal may extend it, if necessary, the period of time within which it shall make a correction, give an interpretation, or make an additional arbitral award under subsection 2 or subsection 5. Last, section 31 shall apply to a correction or interpretation of the arbitral award or to an additional arbitral award made under this section. करेक्ट? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. लास्ट अगर हम कंक्लूड करेंगे तो हम यही कहेंगे कि प्रिंसिपली द आर्बिट्रेशन टर्मिनेट्स आफ्टर द फाइनल अवार्ड इज मेड. The mandate of the arbitral tribunal terminates with the termination of the arbitral proceedings. However, there are some other events that cause an arbitration to terminate. Write the following events would terminate an arbitration proceeding without an award. Withdraw of the claim. The claimant may withdraw his claim at any point during the proceedings. Any this terminates the arbitration. If the sole arbitrator or the arbitral tribunal recognize a legitimate interest of the respondent in obtaining a final settlement of the dispute, then the award may be rendered rather than directly terminating the arbitration proceeding. Correct? कोई दिक्कत किसी को यहाँ तक? बोलो. तो I hope you all have understood the topic. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can write me. So guys, I tell you some important question which will be beneficial for the examination purpose. So, write down these questions in your notebook. First question: explain the termination of arbitral proceedings. According to Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Second question: write the short note on termination of arbitral proceeding. इसके अलावा जब भी आप आंसर इसमें लिखो तो इसके अंदर कुछ केस लॉज भी इसमें ऐड करना, इलस्ट्रेशंस भी ऐड करना, और जब अपने आंसर लिख रहे हो और कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस होती है तो यू कैन आस्क मी, यू कैन राइट मी. यदि इसमें कोई करेक्शन की आवश्यकता होगी I will tell you. Okay? So guys, thank you for listening me.